Hey everybody, this is Vinnie with GS Software, and today I'm really excited to talk to you about one of my latest tool, which is the Latitude and Longitude converter. What this tool does is it will take any latitude or longitude, also known as geocodes, and will convert that to a full-fledged address, full USPS address. The way that it works is, again, as all of our tools, it is built in Excel, so there is nothing to install. You can run it directly in Excel. You can integrate it with probably some of your spreadsheets that you currently have, and you can run as many as you need that Excel can handle. Again, the tool uses the Google Maps API to find those coordinates and find those addresses and to display them right into your spreadsheet. So without further ado, let me show you how it works. I have inputted a list of longitudes and latitudes into column A and column B, column A for latitudes and column B for longitudes, and all I gotta do is click the button that is named Run, and the tool will automatically populate these addresses for you. It is extremely easy, the easiest tool and the most unique tool of its kind in Excel. And as I said, there is nothing, no programming necessary, no programming needed, and can be integrated in any of your spreadsheets, and no installation necessary. Again, my name is Vinny. If I can help you with this tool or any other Excel tools, please feel free to contact me at the information at the end of the video. Also, the description to download the tool. Just click on the link on the video and you should be able to get that from my website. Thank you.